Hello students, I hope you all are doing good at home. In our today's video, in English grammar and composition, we are going to do the revision portion. Okay? We have already completed 4 chapters in our grammar portion. So let us revise them all and then we will continue with the exercise of revision portion. Okay? Our first chapter was vowels and consonants. In that, we already know that there are 26 alphabets. In that, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O and U are the 5 vowels and rest of the 21 alphabets are consonants. Okay? And we use A before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, book. So, a book. And we use N before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, apple. We use an apple. Okay? This was the first chapter. The second chapter was naming words, that is noun. Now what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. There are 4 types of noun that we have already studied. First one was singular and plural noun. Second one was masculine and feminine. Third one was countable and uncountable noun. And the fourth type of noun that we have studied in our Learn Well was common noun and proper noun. Right? Our third chapter was pronoun. What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. In pronoun, there are 3 types of pronoun. First one is subject pronoun. Subject pronoun means doer of the action. Second one is object pronoun, means receiver of the action. And third one is possessive case, in which we shows possessiveness or belongingness of an object. Okay. This was the third chapter that we completed. And the last chapter was adjectives. Now what is an adjective? Describing words that describe some quality of a person, place or thing are called adjective. Okay? In that we have learned degree of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree. We use the positive degree to describe the quality of some person, place or thing. Second one was comparative degree. We use the comparative degree to say how 2 things or people are different from each other. A comparative degree takes then after it. Third one was superlative. We use the superlative degree to compare more than 2 person or things. A superlative degree takes the before it. Okay, now these 4 chapters are very clear in your mind. So now we will start the revision portion, which is on page number 37. Okay. Our first exercise, rewrite in plural form. Now in this exercise, first of all, we will understand which words are in singular form and then we will convert those words into plural form. Okay. See, first one, she is a tall girl. Now in this, we can convert she into they, is into are and girl into girls. So the sentence will be like this. They are tall girls. Okay. Second one, an owl is a bird. Now in this, an owl can be converted into owls, is can be converted into are and bird can be converted into birds. So, owls are birds. Third one, an eye has a lid. Eyes have lids. Now see, in this question, HAS has is in a singular form. We have to convert that has into plural form. So we will replace has with have. Eyes have lids. Okay. Fourth one, a fly is an insect. Flies are insects. Right. Fifth one, a dog is an animal. Dogs are animals. Sixth one, a mango grows on a tree. Mangoes grow on trees. Okay. Next exercise, rewrite in the singular form. In our previous exercise, we converted the singular sentences into plural form. Now we will convert these plural sentences into singular form. Okay. First one, horses are animals. So horses can be converted into a horse, are is converted into is, and animals are converted into an animal. So a horse is an animal. Second one, we eat apples daily. So I eat an apple daily. Third one, cities are big towns. Now cities are and towns are converted. A city is a big town. Okay. Fourth one, they are our friends. Now see, in the friend circle we are not sure that there can be boy also and there can be girl also. So we will write this sentence in this way: he or she is my friend. They can be converted into he also and she also. Are is converted into is, our is converted into my, and friend. He or she is my friend. Fifth one, oranges are good to eat. An orange is good to eat. Sixth one, roses are beautiful flowers. A rose is a beautiful flower. Okay. Next one, write the plurals of these words. Now you remember I have taught you some rules. On the basis of that rule we will convert these words. Okay. First rule was, if a word contains O, X, double S, CH, SH or S at the end, then we will write ES to form a plural form. Okay. If a word contains Y at the end, then we will write IES at the end to make a plural form. If a word contains F or EF, then we will write VES to make a plural form. And some words are irregular nouns. So for example, child, then its plural form is children. So now let us solve this exercise. First one is box. So we will write ES to make a plural form. Box, boxes. City, cities. Dish, dishes. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Watch, watches. Family, families. And mouse, mice. Next exercise, page number 38. Match the words in the two boxes to make phrases as shown. Now first of all we will understand the table which is on the left hand side. As first one is already done. A jar of honey. Okay. Next one is a bar. Bar यानी के टुकड़ा. A bar of what? A bar of tea? चाय का टुकड़ा? नहीं. Milk. Milk का टुकड़ा? नहीं. सूप का भी टुकड़ा नहीं हो सकता. अ बार ऑफ चॉकलेट यानी कि एक चॉकलेट का टुकड़ा. थर्ड वन, अ कप ऑफ टी यानी कि चाय का कप. फोर्थ वन, अ लॉफ ऑफ ब्रेड. फिफ्थ वन, अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क भी हो सकता है और अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर भी हो सकता है. ओके. पर यहाँ पे हम अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर लिखेंगे. उसके बाद सिक्स्थ वन, अ बाउल ऑफ सूप. अ पीस ऑफ वुड. एथ वन, अ शीट ऑफ पेपर. एंड नाइन्थ वन, अ बॉटल ऑफ मिल्क. ओके. अ बॉटल ऑफ वाटर भी हो सकता है पर यहाँ पे हम अ बॉटल ऑफ मिल्क लिखेंगे. राइट. Last exercise of our revision portion. Fill in the blanks with subject and object pronouns. Now you remember what is subject pronoun? The doer of the action is subject pronoun and the receiver of the action is called object pronoun. See, first one is already done. He wants to see us but we don't want to see him. यानी कि हमें उसे नहीं देखना है, तो देखने का काम कौन कर रहा है? हम लोग. So we is subject pronoun and हम किसे देख रहे हैं? Receiver of the action कौन है? Him. So him is an object pronoun. Second one, I want to see her but she doesn't want to see me. मतलब उसे मुझे नहीं देखना है, तो देखने का काम क्या वो लड़की कर रही है. सो शी इज अ सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन एंड मी इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, क्योंकि वो देख किसे रही है? मुझे. सो आई एम द रिसीवर ऑफ द एक्शन. सो मी इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. थर्ड वन, दे वॉन्ट टू सी मी बट आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू सी देम. I is a subject pronoun and them is an object pronoun. Fourth one, we want to see them but they don't want to see us. They is an subject pronoun and us is an object pronoun. They want to see her but she doesn't want to see them. She is subject pronoun and object pronoun is them. She wants to see him but he doesn't want to see her. He is subject pronoun and her is an object pronoun. So now complete this all exercise in your textbook itself. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.